we know that some metals like iron and copper react with air, whereas some do not. Also, in this reaction, the process can be fast in the case of magnesium, but slow in cases such as silver or copper. Similarly, different metals react differently under different conditions with water and acids. So today, let's learn about the reactivity of metals. Here we have 5 beakers labeled as A, B, C, D, E. We will pour 50 ml of water in each beaker. Now, dissolve a spatula of copper sulfate in beakers A and B and dissolve a spatula of zinc sulfate in beakers C and D and iron sulfate in beaker E. Now, put zinc granules in beaker A, iron nail in beaker B, copper turnings in beaker C, iron nails in beaker D, and copper turnings in beaker E. Then, let's leave the beakers undisturbed for some time. After a while, you'll see the changes in the color of the solution in some of the beakers. In beaker A, the blue color of copper sulfate disappears and a powdery red mass of copper is deposited at the bottom of the beaker. Also in beaker B, red copper is found at the bottom of the beaker and on the nails leaving light green iron sulfate solution. These changes of color happen because in beaker A, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate, giving rise to colorless zinc sulfate solution and copper. And in beaker B, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate, leaving light green color of iron sulfate plus copper. Wait, do you see any changes in beaker C, D and E? Can we say that there is displacement reaction in these beakers? No, we cannot say that there was a displacement reaction in the beakers C, D and E because there was no change in the color of the solutions. So from this experiment, we have learned that a more reactive metal will always displace a less reactive metal, but a lesser reactive metal cannot displace a more reactive metal, and that's why there was no displacement reaction in the beakers C, D and E. So what have we learned today? We have learned about the reactivity of metals. Until next time, happy learning!